Hi, Galante Engineering Business Program graduates of 2020. Wow, congratulations. That's quite an accomplishment, and I hope each and every one of you are really proud of the fact that you're here today and have completed this program. My name's Katie Karmelek. I am a fellow Northeastern alumni, double Husky, bachelor's and master's in mechanical engineering. And I envy you all, actually. I wish I had weaved a little bit more of the business curriculum into my engineering, and I'm really excited to find out how each of you take your education and this certificate and do amazing things with it. So my background is all in medical device engineering. I found it on my first co-op and haven't left the industry since. I'm very passionate about helping people, and this was my way of, not going to medical school and becoming a doctor or a nurse, but still feeling like I'm part of the innovation cycle that's helping people. And when I started out in my career, like you all are right now, and eager and excited, I went into an engineering role at a design services company, and I loved it. I loved every aspect of it, and I was bringing medical devices to market in a lot of different ways. And I was approached at one point to be in business development, and I thought, I'm not part of sales. But I said yes anyway, just to try something new and learn from it. And I did. I learned a lot from it. A couple years later, I was asked to be in marketing. And I said, no, I'm an engineer. I'm not in marketing. Well, I said yes to that one too. And I helped scale an e-commerce business, which ultimately translated into the inspiration for the business that I now manage and have executed on, called Chamfr. It's a small scale Amazon multi-vendor marketplace for medical device component sales. And I would not have done that, and I would not have even come up with the concept for this business if I hadn't said yes to those opportunities that seemed so far off my career path and anywhere that I thought I was headed. And so my advice for you today, as you sit there thinking about your future and where you're going to take this amazing education that you've achieved, is don't say no to opportunities when they arise, because you might think you have it all figured out, or you know where you're going, and it's great to have a passion and a focus and to execute on that. But it's also important to realize that you always have a lot to learn, and if you don't take those opportunities, you might not realize who you really are. And I think all of us are better when we open ourselves up and think outside the box and do things that are maybe uncomfortable or outside, our comfort zone. And that's really where growth lies. And I know this is also an unusual circumstance that we're faced with right now with the current COVID-19 crisis in the world, and this pandemic is changing the way that we're operating. It's changing your graduation. It's changing how we're operating our business on our side. It's changing how everyone is doing business today. And I'd be remiss in not bringing that up today, because I think it's important to take this as a growth opportunity and not paralyze yourself by it, but instead figure out how you can be part of the help, or how you can take this moment in time, this gift that you're given, to pause and stay put wherever that is and whatever that means for you, and to translate that into something. So whether that's an opportunity to think about who you are and where you want to be, whether that's job hunting, or whether that's figuring out how you can sew masks, who knows what it means. But all I'm trying to say is that when you're faced with challenges, and you will be, every single one of you will be, and I continue to be, as you can hear, my children are in the background as I'm trying to work multiple jobs from home and develop this video for you. There are challenges that we will continue to be faced with, but it's how we approach them and how we leverage them for our own growth rather than letting them take control of us in a negative way. So I hope this is helpful. I hope that I get an opportunity to meet each of you in person one day, and I wish you all the best of luck on your career journeys. Take care. Congratulations again. Bye.